I really like the teachers. They are very nice, very helpful. They are trying to do best that you feel comfortable with the studies. So this is really nice. My name is Frantiska. I'm studying Chemical and Biotechnical Science. Chemical and Biotechnical Studies takes 1.5 years, and then you are taking 1 year of internship. So together it's 2.5 years. We are almost 3 days per week in laboratories. We are working in groups. We have some theory lessons, but if I should compare the theory lessons and laboratory lessons, we have much more practical lessons, so much more time in laboratory. And if I compare it with the Slovakian study, it was a lot of theory and less practical stuff.
My name is Erik Lomstein, and I teach microbiology here at Business Academy Aarhus. The students at Chemical and Biotechnical Science are a very diverse group. They come from a lot of different countries. A lot of new students are surprised about all the lab work that we have in this program. Approximately 30% of the time you're in the lab, but then you're using a lot of time to prepare for the lab, altogether with catching up on the results that you have in the lab, writing reports and things like that.
If you are in lab, you already know what you should expect from this experiment. You are making your flowchart. It means step by step what are you going to do and what is your purpose of this experiment. And we are doing really amazing stuff. We are working with proteins, with amino acids, with DNA. Always it's really interesting. So for example, we were counting yeast in a beer, and we were examining the mincemeat, if it contains salmonella, for example, or other bacteria. The teachers, they are trying to make a relationship with the students, personal relationship. So be kind of friends, real friends. So it's not only about problems with studies, but they are becoming our friends. So that's really nice. We have a brewery in school. The students can stay here in the summer. They can make their own beer. And this beer is going to be for the first students who came in August.
The first exam that the students face, they are given a practical job in the lab that they have to perform, and then they are evaluated on the practical skills that they have. The other exams are a written examination, and then the rest of the examinations are based on reports, where at the examination you are going to defend a report that you have written yourself or in a group with other students. The last part of the program is 1 year of an internship, and the 1 year includes 2 months of a finishing project for the education. When you're an intern in Denmark, you are paid and employed by the company that you're working in. If your internship is abroad, then you cannot be sure that you will be paid. After you have finished your education, you're able to start on a job. If you want to take a further education, we also have a top-up program that will give you a bachelor degree. If you have taken the bachelor degree, there are a possibility of attending different universities to take a master degree.
We have really great opportunity to put your hands on and to be in laboratory. And I really like it. It's super cool that we don't have so much theory lessons, and I'm really enjoying the lab.